Let's discuss this question. So here we have two copper wires A and B that have the same length and are connected across the same battery. So here we need to find the ratio of their cross-section area and ratio of their resistivity and also the ratio of the currents. So let's start. So the equation we will be using is R, that is equal to rho L A. So this is the resistivity, L is the length, and A is the cross section area. So here the equation for resistance